cooking Maggi sweet chili chicken.
Right, so we've got all the ingredients today. We've got the eggs, the breast of chicken, white rice, stir-fried vegetable, peas, and vegetable oil. And we found those ingredients on the back. Straightforward, very easy to do. And we'll see if it tastes good. And some further instructions over here and online. Looking forward to this, Amara?
Yeah.
So we're going to put the chicken into this bag. Nice little convenient bag. And we're going to add the seasoning and then add the red tape and put it into the oven. Easy? So this is the oven. It's been preheated. Getting ready for the chicken. Amara, let's take a look at the bag now. Okay. And what we're going to do, we're going to put this chicken in there. And then we're going to put the seasoning in there. And then we tie it up with this red tape. Amara, put the seasoning mixing all in there. Lovely job, nice and easy. Right, now using the ingredients, we're going to do what? So we got the recipe mixed from the Maggi website. So there goes the rice. So the rice has already been boiled, so we're just breaking it up. We're going to add some vegetable oil, let that cook for a bit, add those peas and the stir fry. Right, so now we've got the stir-fried vegetables added with the peas. Not too much, just a little bit more. There we go. Well done. You alright? Oh, the chicken is done. There we go. This is being cooked over here. There we go, pipe it hot. Look at that. Looking delicious. And here we have it. Final dish. Right, Amara, how was the sweet chili chicken with the Maggi recipe?
It was really tasty. The flavour was really good. It was made really quick and it was really tasty.
And 10 out of 10?
10.
Well, there you go. Another glowing review from Amara. Maggi recipe. Definitely something we'll use again.
Yeah.